There's something seriously wrong with this picture. This guy is literally he's he's literally holding on and to the bottom of, or at least it looks like he's holding on to the bottom of the truck and walking around with it. Oh my god.
You come over here.
And here's the truck you just completely demolished. You trying to get hit?
Hey, you.
What do you want? Did you even talk to this guy? Talk to him already. Might fix the. Really?
Hey, over here. Come back.
I barely even had time to react to that.
To the supply officer of the local outpost. It's outrageous.
You know?
You, come over here.
By the ways, hey guys, sorry for that. Hey, Gamer17 here with my brother. They're on FarCry4. He's currently not
If it wasn't for you.
recording though. Only I am.
Good day.
This is freaking funny.
Weird. No.
Please.
I can pay you.
I can't. Okay, dude, seriously, just run off already. Thank you. It's a little bit hard to see anything when you're running through me with the damn truck.
Oh my god, that's
Literally. And of course we got company. Hey, doggy. I missed. Okay, screw it. That thing jumped backwards before it died.
Oh my god, what did this thing?
By the way, some of the things that I see here, he can't see on his system because apparently it likes to mess up on mine. I've heard that. And it's also just a slow computer.
Just accept it. Accept it. Slow.
Anyhow, if anything else comes up, I'll definitely record it. But for now, have a good one. Alright, shit, I completely messed it up.